What up? My name is Jade Fox, and this is the Made You Looks channel. I have been looking for the perfect bag. I've been looking specifically for the perfect black crossbody bag. I have been looking for this bag for months. I've actually been looking for this bag since summer 2021 because that's around the time where I actually started to travel again, and it really hasn't stopped. I mean, it's definitely slowed down. But your girl is going places, okay? I'm going to New York this month. I'm going to LA again next month. You don't need to know the itinerary because the videos are gonna be coming. Follow me on Instagram to see where I'm at. But I've been looking for the perfect crossbody bag for months. And I got so desperate to the point where I went on Google and I typed in the very specific type of black crossbody bag that I wanted. And I just went to the shopping tab. Do you know how desperate you gotta be to find something to shop? The shopping tab on Google. Guess what's this? We found her. We found her. And I'm gonna unbox this. I feel like I need to explain why it's been so hard for me to find a crossbody bag, but you are correct. It is a Gucci box. Picked this up today in Portland, Pioneer Place. The young gentleman who helped me out, his name was Juan. What up, Juan? Thanks for all your help. And yeah, I found this bag online. I went in the store, made an appointment. I wanted to try it out. This was actually my first time making like an appointment at a luxury boutique before. I've never, like I have a Prada bag, but I just walked into the store and I bought it. But this was like my first time having the full experience. This is the first unboxing? Is this the first unboxing on this video or on this channel? I think it is. I don't even know what to fuck do with the camera. Like what? Do I take it out of the... I should do the B-roll first and then explain it and then come back. I'll be right back. This is my first unboxing, fuck. This is the bag. It is a Gucci GG embossed crossbody bag. Like I don't think it has like an official name, but as you can see in the B-roll and as you can see right now, it is just this very simple black crossbody bag. It's got two compartments, one big one in the back and then a little one in the front. I want to say it has one zip compartment. No zip compartment. Let me check the front. No zip compartment. Okay, so there are no zip compartments. It's just two. I feel like this is very close to me. I apologize. I'm gonna speak softer just so I don't blow out the audio. But it's got two compartments, one big one in the back, one smaller one in the front, and it's exactly what I want. This is my wallet. It's just a little, you know, thin little off-white wallet. It fits here perfectly. My phone. This is my phone and it fits back here perfectly. The reason why it was such a difficult task to find this bag is because I've been wanting one that was black. I wanted silver hardware, but I also wanted one that wasn't too big, wasn't too small. My Prada bag, it's a rectangle and it's a little chunkier, so it just kind of looks like a laptop. It looks like a stack of three like Amazon Kindles just resting on my belly. And so it's like I kind of wanted something that was a little bit more small and also something that was going to go with everything that I wore. So I was looking for an everyday bag. And for some reason in my mind, I was like, why would I get a Gucci bag for every day if I plan to wear it every day? Like, it seems like if I'm gonna get a Gucci bag, it should be like for a stunt moment, right? It should be for a moment. But I'm realizing that like, I'm gonna get my cost per wear out of this more than anything else because if I'm wearing something every day, I'm gonna want it to be of quality, right? I'm gonna want it to have good leather. I'm gonna want it to stand the test of time. And then if it does cost a lot of money, which this did for a bag, for me anyway, it was $1,100. I thought that, well, if I'm gonna be spending that much on a bag, I'm definitely gonna get my cost per wear because of just the nature of the bag itself. What else to say about this bag? This bag is perfect for concerts. It's perfect for traveling. It's perfect for going out and running errands. It's perfect for literally anything, any occasion, any outfit, anywhere you're going. This bag is gonna work. And that's why I ended up just biting bullet and just making the purchase. And I'm very pleased with it. To be a Gucci bag, it's very understated. I didn't want anything in the, you know, the signature Gucci colorway. I didn't want anything in that Gucci Supreme print. I didn't want that either. I just wanted something with minimal branding or just like very like modern branding that would be able to go with a lot of things. I think the fact that it's perforated gives it more of a sporty vibe too. Cause these bags, these little crossbodies, especially the Gucci ones, can give very much uncle very quickly. And so I didn't want anything to give uncle. I didn't want to give uncle baby. I didn't want to give like Armenian guy because while staying in LA, if you are ever in Pasadena, or not Pasadena, Glendale, if you ever spent time in Glendale, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. Just like these kind of like Armenian guys that like travel in packs, and they always have these little like designer crossbody bags. And so I didn't want to give that off. No shade to my Armenian people, just saying your accessory choice is not mine. One thing to note about this bag that I don't like, but for the price point, I understand. Actually, no, for the price point, I don't understand, but specifically for the price point for Gucci, I understand. The strap is not interchangeable. So you can't add a strap and you definitely can't take this one off. I mean, if you really were really adamant about it, you can probably maybe add another thin one, but I don't know why you would do that. Either way though, I think that for the price point, for, you know, the reasons that I'm going to be wearing it, for the purpose that it will serve in my closet, I think that it really does tick all the boxes. I went into the store to try it on because I wanted to make sure that the way that it hung wasn't going to be too long, because in my experience, when it comes to men's bags, especially anything that's crossbody, even if you put it on the shortest setting, it can still hit like below your waist. And so I wanted something that was gonna be adjustable, but that could fit with my actual height, because I do have a shorter torso. And I just moved this down one notch, and I think that it looks great. I think it looks good. Even with what I'm wearing today, I'm wearing my little blue Birks that match my hat. Like, I think it looks very coordinated and nice. It's not too distracting. I like that if it's at night and you can't really see any of the logos, you don't know that it's a Gucci bag, which I like, because I don't want no problems. As soon as we got out of the store, we went to Raising Cane's and we were standing in line, and two people walked by, one of which was houseless, and you know, I understand things happen on the streets, okay? And so she was like, Gucci? And I was like, I don't like all this attention. I don't like all this attention today. I normally don't walk around with things that are this nice. And so I was like, ooh, I wonder how this is gonna be like out. You know what I mean? Especially at a concert that can get kind of rowdy, or especially at a concert where there's just a lot of people, or any place where I'm at where there's just a lot of people. It's like, I don't want to get this roughed up. I also don't want to get roughed up. That was a bit of a new experience for me, but I actually bought one more thing that I'm going to show you right now. So, also came in a little box. I'd be lying if I said that this was something I wasn't planning on buying, because this is something that I did want to get. I guess I just didn't think I was gonna get it today. But I was in the store, he brought them out. Juan, my man Juan, he brought them out, he showed them to me, and I was like, for spring, summer, that's a vibe. So I'm a buy them. I love how extra this packaging is. Like, why does this packaging look like it's taken from a 1940s couch? I got a pair of Gucci socks. Jade, you spent $200 on a pair of socks? I did. I also spent $1,000 on this little Monopoly piece looking bag. My choices today are just my choices. I got these Gucci socks. I figured they will be really nice for spring, summer. When I do my little dad fits, I have on my dad sandals, and then I just have the little Gucci socks showing from underneath the sandal. And I pull it up a little bit and say I got like a longer pair of shorts on, or a pair of like cut off pants, and you just see a little bit of this, and then you see it continue down through my foot with my dad sandals. It's gonna be a vibe. It's gonna be everything. I hate the heat. I hate summer. I don't know why I was born August 8th. But one thing about me, when spring and summer comes along, I'm finding myself becoming more excited about it. I'm finding myself like wanting to actually like wear shorts and have my little like kneecaps out. I don't know. All I'm saying is you're gonna see a lot of me. Prepare to be sick of me this spring, summer. All right, y'all, just here are my Gucci things, here to tell you thank you for watching this video. And also, let me be for real. Let me be for real for a second. We are past a year at this point, but I wanna say thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching these videos because I'm aware of how important this platform is. And I don't say that to sound arrogant, but I literally made this channel out of a need because there was no platform where you could learn about fashion or explore fashion that wasn't through a very gendered or binary or just judgmental as fuck like lens. And so I'm glad that this platform exists now. I'm glad that we're connecting in comments and stuff. I'm glad that y'all have found resource in this channel. It's doing exactly what I wanted it to do. It is opening a lot of doors for me as well. And so I want to say thank you. Thank you for the support. Thank you for like sending me your fits on Instagram. Thank you for like using the hashtag. Just thank you for engaging and sharing because y'all don't have to do any of it. I ain't paying any of y'all anything and y'all do it anyway. And so I want to say thank you for that. And I'm really excited for content coming up because if you remember back at the beginning of this channel, we did a lot of how-to, we did a lot of like helping the girls out type of content. And so I'm getting back to that this spring. So stay tuned for that. I'm very excited. Collaborations are going up. But anyway, that's it for me. I'm getting off my soapbox now, but I just appreciate y'all and I love y'all so much. And I appreciate, I'm saying so many of the same things, but y'all get where my heart is at, okay? And that's it for me. Hope y'all like this video and I'll see y'all in the next one. And don't forget, wear what you want, wear what you like, wear that hoe out. See you soon.